The Lockheed C-130 Hercules is one of the most versatile and enduring military transport aircraft ever built, serving in air forces around the world since its introduction in the mid-1950s. Designed by the Lockheed Corporation, it was conceived to meet a U.S. Air Force requirement for a rugged, medium-range transport capable of operating from short, unprepared runways. The result was a four-engine turboprop aircraft that combined exceptional durability, load capacity, and adaptability. Powered by four Allison T56A-15 turboprop engines, each delivering about 4,300 horsepower, the C-130 could reach speeds of around 540 kilometers per hour, 335 miles per hour, with a range of approximately 3,800 kilometers or 2,360 miles, depending on its load and configuration. It could carry up to 20 tons of cargo, or about 90 fully equipped troops, and its rear-loading ramp allowed for rapid deployment of vehicles, equipment, and paratroopers. The Hercules was built with a high-mounted wing and strong landing gear, allowing it to take off and land on rough, short airstrips, a capability that made it invaluable in both combat and humanitarian missions. During the Vietnam War, the C-130 became a workhorse of the U.S. Air Force, performing a vast array of missions that highlighted its flexibility. It transported troops and supplies into forward bases, evacuated wounded soldiers, and delivered ammunition, food, and equipment to remote locations inaccessible by other aircraft. The aircraft was also used for psychological operations, dropping leaflets over enemy territory, and for airdropping pallets of supplies by parachute to units deep in the jungle. One of the most notable roles of the C-130 during the conflict was as a gunship variant, known as the AC-130. Armed with side-firing cannons and later with 40mm Bofors and 105mm howitzers, the AC-130 provided devastating close-air support and interdiction capabilities, especially during nighttime operations over the Ho Chi Minh Trail, where it targeted convoys and supply routes with remarkable precision. The C-130 also participated in some of the war's most daring airlift operations, such as resupplying the besieged garrison at Khe Sanh in 1968, where crews flew under intense enemy fire to deliver critical supplies and evacuate casualties. Despite its large size, the Hercules proved to be remarkably resilient, often returning to base with severe damage from ground fire. Its robust design and redundant systems gave it a reputation for reliability and survivability unmatched among transport aircraft of its time. Beyond Vietnam, the C-130 continued to serve in countless other conflicts and humanitarian missions around the world, from desert operations to Arctic supply runs. It has been adapted into numerous variants, including aerial refueling tankers, KC-130, weather reconnaissance aircraft, WC-130, electronic warfare platforms, EC-130, and even airborne firefighters, C-130 air tanker. The latest modernized versions, like the C-130J Super Hercules, feature upgraded avionics, more powerful Rolls-Royce AE2100 D3 engines with six-bladed propellers, and improved fuel efficiency, extending the aircraft's operational life well into the 21st century. The C-130 Hercules remains a symbol of reliability and versatility, embodying over 6 decades of continuous service and proving itself time and again as one of the most effective and enduring military aircraft ever created.